This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over a strumming pattern that works well for 2/4 time. In the last video that's part of the lesson series, I went over one option that works well for 2/4 time. So here in this video, I'm going to go over a second option that works well. And we're going to work on it together just a little bit, doing some exercises, and then we're going to jam together on a progression and a song, so it's going to be super fun. Now this video does accompany lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony book, and we're going to start out on page 85 in that book. You'll see that the strumming pattern I have written up here on the board is strumming pattern B there on page 85. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It goes down, down, up for one measure and down, up for another measure. As I mentioned in the last video, 2/4 time is a little less common. We don't often see music written in 2/4 time. And when we do, it can sometimes be felt almost in 4/4 time if we were to add two measures together. So any of the strumming patterns that we've used for 4/4 time could essentially be used if they were plugged into every two measures of time in 2/4 time. One that works particularly well of those ones that we've worked on before is this one I have up here on the board. So we go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You'll probably recognize that because we've done that a lot in 4/4 time. So here we've got it in 2/4 time, and for the odd measures in a song, those odd numbered 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, we could use the down, down, up, and then for the even numbered measures, we'd use the down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. The progression that we're going to be jamming together on is in the key of D, uses D, G, and A7. So if we did a little exercise here with those chords, we'll kind of warm up with it. So we'll have D, we'll just do here as an exercise, the D chord, the G chord, the A7 chord, and then we'll come back to D. Let's start out by doing this as if we were in 4/4 time, going down, down, up, down, up, down, up for one measure. So we're going to give two measures of 2/4 to each of these chords. We go Re-Ti and D, A7, back to D. We can do it one more time. D, G, A7, back to D. Now, let's do it as if each one of those chords happened just with one measure. So it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just like that. 1, 2, Re-Ti, and we got D, G, A7, D, D, G, A7, D. We can take it a little bit faster. We got Re-Ti and D. Now, we've been doing it with the even eighth notes. Let's go ahead and practice it a little bit with swung eighth notes. So we're going to delay those up strums. So you got 1, 2, Re-Ti, go. And we'll take it a little faster. 1, 2, Re-Ti, and... Should be really intuitive because we've done a lot with that strumming pattern at times when we have two chords per bar in a 4/4 time signature situation. So it's probably comfortable, kind of easy, but we do have to get a little bit used to reading in 2/4. Okay, so it's time for us to jam together, put this to practice with a chord progression and a song. So the first thing is we're going to play through the chord progression that's on page 94. We're going to do number 12. It's the one in D major. I've mentioned it's great to practice these strumming patterns that we're working on here in lesson 14 with all the chord progressions on page 94. That's a really great thing to do. It helps you master those chords and master these strumming patterns. So that's a really great thing. But here in the video, we're just going to jam together, you, me, and the band on number 12. And then we'll play the song here on page 85, number 1, The Old Gray Mare, that's written there in 2/4 time. So we're going to do those two things. They're going to happen first at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. So you got two different tempos you can jam along and work on that with. If you need to just work on the strumming pattern with muted strings, then start adding those chords in. Okay, it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, awesome. I hope you are having fun with this. In the next couple of videos, we're going to take a look at some strumming patterns for cut time, and I'm going to explain what cut time is. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.